bro. What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's a Jamaican friend here again with another epic Gabriel Henrique reaction. So, Gabriel, it's been so long since I've done a reaction to you, my bro. I can't tell when last I've done a reaction to Gabriel because, bro, we miss you so much. Thank you so much for this track. I'm really happy to see you here, though. I'm really happy to have you back on our side today. And if you guys are watching since the start of the new year, and I did wish you guys any happy new year, and a prosperous 2024. So Gabriel has given us a song. Nevertheless, he never fails though. So without further ado, guys, let's see what's up with Gabriel's brand new track. I'll see you there. Peace.
Ainda me lembro quando milagre eu pedi, com pouca fé sim eu temi, e hoje eu posso ver, foi muito além.
Nothing sweeter than when you have such beautiful song in the morning time. Nothing more beautiful than this. He never fails, and we have to respect that. Let's continue.
Além do meu pensar, são tantas bênçãos pra contar. 1, 2, 3, bênçãos que não tem fim. Perco as contas e agradeço o que fez por mim. Deus, eu tenho tantas bênçãos.
Guys, I'm not really understanding the language. I guess this language is in Spanish. I'm not really good at Spanish either. But when we hear a good song, when we have good artists, we have to embrace them. We have to be sure that they are the best, right? Because they are giving us music. And Gabriel's music, Gabriel's voice never fails. It totally not. You understand? So, beautiful song. Beautiful.
Posso em minha vida enxergar, quanto mais vejo os detalhes, sua bondade posso encontrar. Enquanto eu viver.
Bro, you are one of those guys who always seems to inspire a lot of people, right? I gained a lot of inspiration from Gabriel because there is not a time in my life where I've done a reaction to Gabriel's music and I'm not feeling alive and I'm not feeling well. I always seems to get along very well when it comes on to listening to Gabriel's music. And we have to embrace this man's music. Good music always lasts forever, right? And he's not just singing for now, he's singing for the next generation to come, so they could understand that, hey, a brilliant singer is from Brazil. If you guys want to become a singer like me, you can even do better than I am, right? Because they are just setting a foundation for the next generation to come. And Gabriel is doing just that quite fine.
Sempre irei me lembrar, ainda que sejam infinitas, suas bênçãos eu irei contar.
Very beautiful. I always like Gabriel's notes, right? I always like his vocals, right? Because he has this thing about him that I really like, and it's the whistling thing, right? This is very beautiful and I like it. Let's continue.
Nenhuma fase dura para sempre, por isso eu não vou me esquecer. Cada motivo que tenho pra ser grato por ter sido fiel a mim.
Sing on, bro. Sing on. I love this so much.
Deus, eu tenho tantas bênçãos. Posso em minha vida enxergar. Quanto mais vejo os detalhes, sua bondade posso encontrar.
What beautiful voice. How astounding this is. Very terrific.
Pai, enquanto eu viver, sempre irei me lembrar. Ainda que sejam infinitas, suas bênçãos eu irei contar.
Bro, ain't no freaking way. Ain't no freaking way. Damn, that was really darn good, bro.
Dois, três bênçãos que não têm fim. Perco as contas e agradeço o que fez por mim.
Well done, Gabriel. Well done. This is very pleasant.
Eu tenho tantas bênçãos, posso em minha vida enxergar. Quanto mais vejo detalhes, sua bondade posso encontrar. Pai, enquanto eu viver, sempre irei me lembrar.
God, please protect this man at all costs because he's such a cool guy. He sings really amazing. He inspires a lot of people. He's doing an excellent job. A job is terrifically done.
Ainda que sejam infinitas, suas bênçãos eu irei contar. Ainda que sejam infinitas, suas bênçãos eu irei contar.
This was a very stunning job. Ah, damn. I love that. Love that, Gabriel. Love that so much. Bro, thank you so much for this song. Just by hearing Gabriel's voice, my week could be productively done. Guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys are new, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. Guys, next time. Peace.